The day has come, the day has come. It has arrived. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, if you're looking for a way to increase your income and would like to start your own online business and have me coach you through the process, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get down to business. Inside this white envelope is my brand new Chase Freedom Flex credit card, and I've actually waited to open this for this YouTube video so that way you can all do it with me. And I'm not kidding, you've missed nothing, it's still factory sealed. For this video, I'm going to do you all a big favor. I'm not going to do a full review first and talk about the insurance benefits and the points and the sign-up bonus and all that stuff for 10 minutes and then unbox at the end. We're gonna unbox this card right now. And what better way to do this than with an oversized fork? Because I want to. A knife would have been better. But we're gonna make this work anyway. Ha! Metal fork drop test. I told you, I'm excited. Okay, so now here's the part where I pull out some sticky notes. And somewhere, yep, I got some scissors back here too. And I'm gonna cover up some sensitive information. I'll be right back. Okay, so there were 3 main documents inside that envelope. I know that you all want to see the card first, so I'm going to put these 2 off to the side right there. And here's the slip where the card is mounted on. The credit limit here was $10,000. It shows my account blurred out, but it ends in 8518. And it does have tap to pay technology, which is also called contactless. And now for the grand unfolding of the piece of paper. Here's the card itself. I'm now going to go ahead and pull off the white piece of paper and leave this one on. And here it is, the all-new Chase Freedom Flex card. It's a pretty cool blue design with a hologram or holographic type of front. Very, very slick. As you can see here as well, I've been a member with Chase since 2014. So it's been getting close to 7 years now. And then on the back of the card, you can see here the World Elite MasterCard designation here at the bottom. Now I'll go ahead and clear some of this stuff off of the table here and show you something kind of special. Now before the Freedom Flex came out, it was just called the Freedom Card, and it looked like this. Very, very similar design as well. Did not say Flex on it. I'll actually put these side by side for you if you'd like to see them. So on your right hand side, here's the original Freedom and then the new Freedom Flex. Pretty similar and actually very similar cards in terms of the rewards as well. And if I can do this right, here is the original Freedom design. So we went from this design here with the big letters that said Freedom here on the right, then to this design when it was updated, and now to the Freedom Flex, which entirely replaces the Freedom card that originally came out. So here are all 3 card designs side by side to check them out. And now I'll also show you these other documents that came with the card. This is the intro to get started guide, and this is the guide to benefits. So when you want to know about the insurance coverages, protections, things like that, all that is spelled out in this one. And then this one here is the most interesting of all the documents that come with the card because this one goes over the rewards and cash back. So I'll let you take a quick look at this here. You can see that it earns 5% cash back in rotating categories every quarter, 5% back on travel when you book through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% back on dining at restaurants and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. So there are a ton of ways to earn a lot of cash back with this card. You can also shop through Chase right over here, which is like an online portal when you log into your account and go to the rewards section to earn a bunch of bonus points on top of these 531 categories. If you want to learn more about that, check out my other video called How to Use Ultimate Rewards. That video goes into a lot of detail about how to use those Chase points and earn a lot of them and redeem them for the most value. Then it goes over how you can redeem your points, not all the ways, but some of them, including cashback, gift cards, shopping with points at checkout at Amazon.com, and also for travel. For some of the protections as well, you have cell phone protection, trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance, zero liability protection so that way you're covered with fraudulent purchases, auto rental collision damage waiver, purchase protection, and extended warranty. And there you have it, the unboxing of the all-new Chase Freedom Flex card, which came out in September 2020. Very excited about this new card to earn 5% back in those select categories. And I do plan to do a full in-depth video review of the Flex card in the near future. But for now, if you want to learn more about this card, especially compared to the Freedom Unlimited card, check out my comparison video of those two cards. I'll link to it in the description below. That video also goes into detail of what happened from the Freedom to the Freedom Flex, because that was a major shift in the Chase card lineup as well. Now I'm going to go activate the card so I can start using it and earning that cash back. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others or at least entertain them a little bit, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. If you're interested in applying for the Chase Freedom Flex card or the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, then check out the links in the description below. They are my personal referral links, so if you value the information that I put inside these videos, I'd appreciate it if you use those for your applications. There's also another link down there to help you start your own online business and have me guide you through the process. Check that one out as well. And to wrap things up, I'm curious, do you already have the Chase Freedom Flex card and or the Chase Freedom Unlimited card? Tell me in the comments below, and if you don't have them yet, why not? Both of the Freedom cards are really, really good. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great. Freedom Family Drop Test. You'll have to get a Sapphire branded card if you're looking for metal.